The Sheriff's Department is handling the investigation into the Balchuk case, and while there are some similarities between that crime and today's home invasion, there is a difference in how investigators are speaking to the public about what they know. Just over an hour after this morning's home invasion and shooting, Chief Mike MARKLE was at the scene talking about the incident.
What we do know at this time is that about 12:30, multiple suspects entered a residence on 2300 Capitan here.
The chief spoke for about 4 minutes, taking questions from the media during that time. As for the deaths on Balchuk Lane on Monday, there was also a news conference about that. But that happened about 8 hours after the bodies were discovered. Here's how that one began.
Good morning. Let me start out by saying that we will not be answering any questions at this time. We are just here to give you an update on the incident that occurred this morning.
But that's changed since then. Late this afternoon, the Nueces County Chief Deputy gave us updated information about the Balchuk case. So why did it take so long? Chris 6 News reporter Jane Caffrey continues our team coverage with that part of the story.
Priscilla, law enforcement agencies play a balancing act with what information they'll release, taking into account public safety and their need to protect their investigation. In this case, the sheriff's office says the public was not at imminent risk and the investigation is very sensitive. This week, 2 deadly home invasions handled by 2 agencies. Police responded to one on Capitan Drive last night, and the sheriff's office leads the investigation on a double homicide Monday in the London estates. And each agency taking different approaches when it comes to releasing information to the public.
The police did a good job releasing the information they could. My concern for the London was there was nothing released. And I understand that you can't release information that's going to affect the case, but I think that community out there were really fearful.
CAROLYN, a former city council member who recently joined the county commissioner's court, has worked with CCPD and the sheriff's office in her 2 roles. She thinks the sheriff's office should communicate more about Monday's murders.
I think the whole city of Corpus Christi is concerned. They need to come out and say something. We obviously know we need to lock our doors. How bad do we think this is? Do we think it's a gang? Do we think it's drug related? We got nothing.
This afternoon, the sheriff's office did come out and say something. The chief deputy told us the scenario requires confidentiality and is a different situation from the Capitan home invasion.
I'm sure that if CCPD ran into the same scenario that we had out there in London, they probably would have been as restrictive as we have.
He adds that deputies determined the London homicides were isolated and says the surrounding community was not at risk.
If there was some type of immediate danger or concern, of course we notified the community, but that wasn't the case.
Sheriff Jim Kalin also tells me the sheriff's office is handling the case exactly the way he would expect it to be handled. Priscilla?
All right, Jane, thanks so much. And for any new developments in this morning's home invasion, check our website, CHRISTi.com. We'll be posting updates on all of our social media platforms.